How does the chain rule work in AI backpropagation? Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence learns from data? One of the key processes behind this learning is the backpropagation algorithm. Today, we will focus on a vital component of this algorithm, the chain rule. So, how does the chain rule work in artificial intelligence backpropagation? Let's break it down. Backpropagation is essential for training neural networks. It adjusts the weights of the network to minimize errors. The chain rule from calculus plays a significant role in this process. It helps calculate gradients, which show how much each weight impacts the final error. Think of a neural network as a series of functions. Each layer's output becomes the next layer's input. The chain rule allows us to compute the overall error's derivative concerning each weight. This is done by multiplying the derivatives layer by layer, moving backward from the output to the input. During the forward pass, input data flows through the network. Each layer applies weights, biases, and activation functions to produce an output. Afterward, the error is calculated by comparing this output to the actual target. Then comes the backward pass, where the chain rule is applied to send this error back through the network. To find the derivative of the loss with respect to each weight, we multiply the derivative of the loss with respect to the output by the derivatives of each function encountered on the way back to that weight. For instance, if the output depends on a weight through several layers, the chain rule simplifies the derivative into a product of simpler derivatives at each layer. This process allows the network to understand how sensitive the error is to each weight, even in deep architectures. This is particularly important for advanced artificial intelligence models like ChatGPT, DALL, and Midjourney. These models relying on deep neural networks with many layers. Efficient backpropagation using the chain rule enables them to learn from vast datasets and improve in tasks like language understanding and image generation. Moreover, understanding the chain rule connects to ethical considerations in artificial intelligence. It raises questions about bias, transparency, and responsible use of these technologies. Productivity plugins that incorporate artificial intelligence also depend on these learning processes to provide accurate outputs. In essence, the chain rule in backpropagation allows artificial intelligence systems to compute gradients through complex layered functions. This guides how each weight should be adjusted to improve performance. It is a foundational concept in modern machine learning and artificial intelligence applications.